Hi, I'm Peter Savoie, our Vice President of Operations here at JanPro of Atlanta, Central Alabama, Oklahoma City, Phoenix, Tucson, and Kansas City. We're a part of a three-tiered franchise model, and we exist in the middle tier as a franchise development office. As we have gone out and sourced a new field service management tool, we decided to go with Zuper for a number of reasons. Technology was the main one. The technology features that they offer are leaps and bounds above the competition, and the backwards and forwards integration that they have to our systems has made our life a breeze as we're trying to get it set up to have sales have an interaction or accounting have an interaction with the actual operation function that it will be offering. The more that we've worked with their technology team, specifically their development team, we found that the customization of the platform is so great and robust that we can have specific things that weren't a part of their initial layout and made it custom tailored for us. Zuper offers us numerous competitive advantages against the competition. The first one that comes to mind is the geofencing functionality that's involved in the application. Anytime a business owner shows up to do a clean and they log into the app and actually start the job, it'll geofence them and not allow them to start the job unless they're on site. Once they're on site administering the clean, it'll start tracking that time so the customer knows exactly how long they were inside that account servicing it. With the ability to geofence, we're able to show 5 of the certified business owners employees were inside your building and were able to execute the clean in a much more efficient manner by parsing out the task and accomplishing them. The other aspect that gives us a competitive advantage is the customer feedback. The moment we offer that feedback to the customer, they're able to get back to not only the business owner, but our offices to understand exactly where we're falling short or where we're succeeding with the cleans. So communication is key in any line of business, and the platform offers a source for communication on any level with any partner that we have.
Life before the Zuper mobile app, we were constantly on the phone, texts, photographs. A lot of times I had to come on site to check things out. The JanHub app was not able to upload pictures real time and so on down the line. So life was a little more difficult. Since implementing Zuper, I've been able to automate a lot of my processes, from my employees being able to log in, let me know when they're on the way, take care of their task, finish everything, mark off the complete list, and check out, and everything's done. The Zuper mobile app has improved my day-to-day job because there's less monitoring on my part. When someone finishes a site, they check out, they check off everything they need, I automatically get a notification versus calling them, being on the phone, and that's how it's improved my time.
I think Zuper is going to solve a lot of our problems by having live or real-time updates for us. For us internally, it is definitely going to resolve and eliminate a lot of our paperwork burden.
I couldn't be more thankful for their customer support team that has been at our side through each step of the journey that we've had with Zuper.